Hi guys, so we are back again with another live today. This is Shalu from Sneharatiriya team, and we have brought you like a lot of gorgeous pieces today we have for you all. So let's start off with the first piece. So here we have this gorgeous diamond finish belt. So this is a waist belt, Vadanam. You can see the shine. This is made of 92.5 pure silver with 5A grade Caesar stones, and this is polished in 18 karat gold polish, and this is finished in Ganga Jamuna polish. As you can see, like the top part has pure diamond finish, and the base has gold finish. You can see like we can make the center stone changeable, so there is a screw for changeable stones as well. And this is the belt. The belt is a normal golden belt, and this is priced at 60,000. So this is the first piece, and we can customize it in any size you want. So let's see the second piece. So this is the second piece we have. This is a kid's belt. Like we can customize it in adult size as well. So you can see the finish. This is an engraved belt. You can see the engraving at the back side as well. So this is finished in 18 karat gold polish. And all this engraving you see, all these are made of, like these are all handcrafted. We don't do machine work. All our work is handmade. You can see like it has like the whole belt is engraved. And this is like the center piece is also detachable. You can also wear it as a choker. So this is a kid size belt. This is priced at 40,000. And even we can make it for like adult size. The adult size will be like, it will depend on the size, like what size you want. So basically this is an adult, this is a kid's belt. This is a kid size belt. So we have another piece. So this is a mango harem. This is made of 92.5 silver and pole keys. These are seized pole keys. You can see. And another like interesting thing about this harem is this is a reversible harem. So you can wear it like both ways. So we'll show you. So this is the other side of the harem. So here you can see the finish, the stones. These are all seized pole keys and gems and like Caesar stones. And it is finished in 18 karat gold polish again. Also we can customize it in any color you want. And also you can wear this as a waist belt. You can we give a detachable chain for it to wear it as a belt. So this is a totally flexible harem. So you can wear it as a belt as well. And you can wear it both the ways. And this is priced at 65,000. So this is another piece. So guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. This is 65,000 reversible harem cum belt. This is 65,000. And we have another piece over here. This is an antique coin necklace. This is made of pure 92.5 silver And you can see the craftsmanship over here. Like it is all handmade. This is all handmade. You can see the intricate work on this necklace. So this is the entire necklace. This is how it looks. We can customize it in any length you want. The price of this is 52,000. Let me know guys if you have any questions. So another piece we have is this necklace. This necklace is this is 48,500. This is made of 92.5 silver, Caesar stones, 18 karat gold polish. As you can see, the stones, the shine of the stones, like it gives pure diamond finish. All these are 5A grade Caesar stones. We can customize the stone color as per your requirement, the length, anything, even the pearls. All these are semi-cultured rice pearls. We can also add round pearls as per your requirement. And this is another belt we have, an engraved belt. The center piece is again detachable. Let me just show you how you can detach it and wear it as a choker. So here you can take out this piece, and this, as you can see, is flexible. It's also like very flexible. We give this detachable chain, so you can wear it as a choker. Meanwhile, I'll show you the belt, the work on the belt, the engraving design. You can see like how pretty it is. Also, like it has frosting design, frosting plus engraving. And it is again finished in 18 karat gold polish. And the designs on the belt can also be customized as per your requirement. If you need any other design on the belt, we can do that. So here is a choker part. So you can see like how it can how you can wear it as choker. So here is the piece. Such a beautiful piece. So all these are like today what we are showing are mostly multi-purpose items. So you can wear it as a belt as well as a harem, as a choker. So this is one piece, and the price of this belt is 53,000. And the size can be customized as per your requirement. And polish also, like if you want full gold polish or full white polish for the choker, we can do that as well. This is in Ganga Jamuna polish. So this is the shine of the stones, our work. We can also customize the pearl color, like this is in white. We can also do in cream or any other shade like yellow. So this is another necklace we have, a flexible necklace. This is one of our best seller coin necklace, and this is very much flexible, as you can see here. You can also wear it as a vadanam. So this is priced at 52,000, and length can be customized, color, polish, everything can be customized. And like we give guarantee, like lifetime guarantee So like if you need any kind of repair, polishing or any kind of minor repairs, so we do it at free of cost. Also we have free shipping all over India. We have another belt over here, golden belt. So since like wedding season is coming, everyone is ordering like these golden bells, and that also another one with engravement. As you can see, the engraving over here is so beautiful, and every belt that we have showed you has different like every belt has different design engravement, like every engravement design is different. So this is another belt. Also you can see the work. It's so pretty. This is priced at 58,000. So guys, these are the items we had today for you all to show. So if you need any custom designs, also we do custom designs as well. Mostly these are all custom designs. You see this one, this belt, everything, like all these are custom designs. So we do custom designs as well. So if you have any design, you can share it with us. You can WhatsApp us. You can see the link on our bio, and you can connect with us over there. And like as I said, like we have free shipping all over India, and also lifetime guarantee. We provide lifetime guarantee. So you if you need any polish or minor repair, you can always send the product to our office address, and we'll repair it and send it back to you. So lifetime guarantee, and that is free of cost. So guys, we have this for today. So next time we'll be bringing up more new designs for you all, and if you have any questions, let us know. You can WhatsApp us. And so for today, bye, and all of you have a good time. Thank you. Bye.